Hi, my name is Jill Brown, and welcome to this part, which is how to facilitate Lesson 1. The first thing that you need to do is to display the 7 essential questions. You're going to use these questions as a guide. Eventually, your students will learn to ask themselves these questions, and this way they'll be able to know how to handle a certain situation. I guarantee that they will change. The teacher's role is to ask questions and facilitate the discussion with the students. I find that if you suggest ideas or certain answers, it can help to be a more lively discussion. If it gets very slow and people aren't really answering, what I find sometimes helps is to have everybody write down their answer on a piece of paper and then put it in an envelope, and then have one of the kids pick out of the envelope and read the answer. Sometimes when the kid reads the answer, it helps for the discussion to get going. So every student should write down the 7 essential questions, whether it be in a notebook, perhaps you could suggest having them do it on their iPhone or in their phone. Get them to use their 21st century items. That way they know it's okay to use it in class. Show them how to use it in a positive way. So the first thing you'll want to do is go through each step. So the first example is a text message that says, "Olivia is so annoying." Now, what are the exact bullying behaviors in this? And you're looking for them to say that she's annoying. Now remember that the prerequisite for this lesson is that you do the pre-lesson. So I find it very helpful to say, what are the mean, negative, hurtful behaviors in this example? So the next thing is you'll want to know, how do you think this would affect Olivia if she saw this message? So as you go through the different questions and where there are consequences and what you would do if you got this message, kids will start to give you their answers. And I have provided many typical answers that I've seen with this lesson. And so each time a kid gives you the answer, you want to go back and ask how every person in the situation would feel. So for instance, the kids will say, if I got that message, I would delete it. And I say, okay, you would delete it. I said, great answer. The first thing you want to do is you want to ask, how would the sender feel? What is the sender thinking if you just deleted this message? And then they'll say, he'll think that we agree. What would Olivia do if she knew that you just deleted it? How would she feel? So you want to go through each person's feelings and thoughts with each answer. And typically what will happen is the kids will just realize what the right answers are and what the wrong answers are. It's extremely exciting to watch as they work this. So after this, you want to put them into groups, and please do not let them choose their own groups. It's very important that you, the teacher, assign the groups. Either count by 4s or count by 2s. But I suggest that you also can have a student facilitate this, or sometimes it's fun to have a team teach, to have a student help you facilitate this lesson. But good luck, you can have fun with it, you can do it over and over, and I'm excited that you're using this. Thank you.